Welcome to day 3 of 30 Days to Better Hearing. Now, yesterday we spoke about the process of habituation, i.e. getting used to your new hearing aids so they don't sound so tinny or echoey. Now, hopefully you'll remember that the big factor with this is time. The more you wear your hearing aids, the quicker you're going to trick your brain into thinking they are normal. So how often do you need to wear these hearing aids? Well, the more you can incorporate them into your routine, the better. And that's the big thing here, getting a routine with them. Now, routines don't happen without starting one with purpose. And your routine will vary from someone else's. Just remember, the more you are wearing your hearing aids, the quicker you are going to get your brain used to them. So an example of one person's routine might be, after I've had a shower in the morning, I'm going to put my hearing aids in and take them out before I go to bed. Now, this is a fantastic routine because it basically means this person is going to be wearing the hearing aids all day, maximizing the opportunity for the brain to get used to the sound. Simply put, the more you wear them, the better. But maybe putting them in first thing doesn't work for you. Maybe you decide that you're going to take them out an hour before you go to bed, or put them in at a certain time. That's fine. It really is. The most important thing here is developing that routine that works for you. What we're trying to avoid here is just wearing your hearing aids when watching television or just wearing them when you go out for a meal. That won't work. You'll just be overwhelming your brain with noise. So today, just start thinking about a routine that works for you, that maximizes the opportunity for your brain to get used to that sound. If that's wearing them all day, perfect. If it's not, that's fine too. But now is the time to start building that routine and making it happen. You're doing great. Remember, it's only day 3. I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 4.